the basic structure doctrine was propounded by the Supreme Court in the case of Keswanand Bharti. Now the question is, does this doctrine of basic structure apply to an ordinary legislation? It means, can an ordinary legislation be challenged in a court of law on the basis that it is destroying the basic structure of the constitution? The answer is no, because only a constitutional amendment act can alter the provisions of the constitution. Therefore, only a constitutional amendment act can be challenged in a court of law on the basis that it is destroying the basic structure of the constitution. Now the second question is, then what are the grounds to challenge the validity of an ordinary legislation? So an ordinary legislation only has to meet the dual criteria test. If this dual criteria is not met, then its validity can be challenged in a court of law. And the first criteria is that an ordinary legislation must relate to a matter within its competence. It means, in normal circumstances, if the parliament legislates on a state subject, then it is legislating outside its competence.